Research shows that dairy products have little to no benefit for bone health, but what you don't know about dairy can hurt you. This video will explain what all of these have in common. I'm Maddie Owens with IamFitandFabulous.com. If you're new here, this channel is for women who want to learn healthy behaviors and create lasting changes in their lives. Welcome to your Healthy Living Crash Course. Today we're going to talk about dairy. So what is dairy exactly? Dairy is anything that contains or is made from milk. I'm asking you to completely eliminate dairy for the first 10 days of each month and then reduce it for the remaining 20. The goal of my program is to launch you towards better and better health. We're going to take every step we can in reducing inflammation in your body and in your lifestyle. Doing this will allow every single organ in your body to heal, recover, and repair like never before. Of the major food groups consumed in the American diet, dairy products, including milk, yogurt, butter, cheese, sour cream, and ice cream, are among the top 5 that promote inflammation. But it's not the cow's fault. After all, her milk is the best, most high-fat, calorie-dense, and protein-rich substance possible to help her calves grow an average of 300 pounds in their first year of life. The proteins found in milk were specifically designed to nourish those calves in amazing ways. But these proteins, including whey, BSA, and casein, were never really designed for the human body. As a result, the human body creates antibodies against these cow proteins. This production of antibodies is what creates inflammation. This inflammation occasionally shows up in the form of allergies, asthma, and skin disorders. But more often, it subtly shows up as chronic low-grade inflammation. This low-grade inflammation upsets the wonderful environment of the gut and its bacteria, and it impairs the liver's ability to do its job, which is detoxify and cleanse. You can eliminate dairy by trying a plant-based alternative, such as oat milk, rice milk, soy milk, cashew milk, almond milk. We also have plant-based butters. Before long, you may notice subtle health improvements. This may be less congestion, fewer asthma problems, fewer allergy problems, and fewer skin problems. With so many dairy-free alternatives out there, I have no worries that you'll be able to eliminate dairy from your diet. Thank you for attending today's Healthy Living Crash Course. I have some questions to check your comprehension. Until next time. The next video in this series will cover alcohol, and if you missed it, here's my last video on gluten.